This is number 47. This is the owner's Bell Tower stud, and the breeder is Sarah Bright. And this foal is called Bell Tower Welterweight. This is a colt foal forward for eventing. The sire is Future Gravitas, and the mother's sire is Groven Lad. Came forward from the vet with a few little things that need addressing, but the vet felt that this was sortable for an 8. The conformation overall, we felt a good length of neck and well put together, maybe a little thick in the throat, for an 8.75. The walk was a bit busy in the walk. We tried again at the end just to see if we could see a better walk, but today it's a 7.75. The trot has a really good hind leg. We were just saying you just have to be a little careful when they flick out the toe a little bit, and it can be a little bit of a worry on the soundness point of view. So this was an 8.5 in the trot, and the canter very light on his feet with a very uphill tendency for an 8.5. And overall we felt this was a very strong foal, very confident foal for an 8.3, so this is a really good gold. So well done.